Hey guys, welcome back to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Today I've got something really exciting for all Sony lovers and smartphone fans out there. The brand new Sony Xperia TX is 5G 2027. Trust me, this phone is not just a comeback, it's a statement. Let's start with the design. And wow, Sony has nailed it. The Xperia TX 5G comes with a sleek, ultra-premium glass body, combined with a metallic frame that feels super solid in hand. It's slim, stylish, and honestly gives off a very futuristic vibe. Sony has kept its signature minimal look, but refined it to perfection. Now moving on to the display, this is where Sony always shines. You're getting a stunning 6.7-inch 4K OLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. Yes, you heard that right. 4K on a smartphone. The colors are insanely vibrant, blacks are deep, and the smoothness is just next level. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or scrolling social media, everything looks incredibly sharp and fluid. Performance-wise, the Xperia TX 5G is powered by the latest Snapdragon Flagship processor, paired with up to 16 GB RAM. This means lightning-fast performance, zero lag, and seamless multitasking. I tried heavy gaming and it handled everything like a beast. No heating issues, no frame drops, just pure power. Now let's talk about the camera, because Sony doesn't play around here. The Xperia TX 5G features a triple lens camera setup with a 108 megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto zoom camera. The photos are incredibly detailed with natural colors, something Sony is known for. Night photography is also impressive, capturing more light without losing quality. And for video creators, this phone is a dream. Cinematic video recording with pro-level controls. On the front, you get a high-quality selfie camera that delivers sharp and natural-looking selfies. Perfect for your social media game. Battery life is another strong point. With a massive 5,000 mAh battery, this phone easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. And thanks to fast charging, you can get back to 100% in no time. Plus, wireless charging and reverse charging are also included. One thing I personally love, Sony has kept the headphone jack. Yes, you still get that classic feature, along with powerful stereo speakers that deliver immersive sound. So overall, the Sony Xperia TX 5G 2027 is a complete flagship package. Stunning display, powerful performance, pro-level camera, and premium design. It's perfect for gamers, content creators, and anyone who wants a top-tier smartphone experience. If you're looking for something unique and powerful in 2027, this phone should definitely be on your list. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing smartphone reviews on Upcoming Smartphones Hub. See you in the next one.